Your manufacturing clients see downtime as equipment failure, but much of it is caused by something else. Without real equipment data, your service value is hard to prove. Why does this happen? Most of the work done by equipment service companies happens when nothing breaks. And that's exactly why its value is so hard to demonstrate. Service teams work every day. They adjust equipment. They replace worn parts. They solve small problems before they become failures. As a result, production runs smoothly, but the customer doesn't see that. They see only one moment, when equipment stops. If everything works for a week, it is considered normal. And this creates a fundamental problem. Service creates stability, but stability is invisible. So what does the customer actually see? An invoice. Without data about equipment stability, downtime frequency, and recurring issues, it becomes very difficult to answer one simple question. What value did service actually create? There is another problem. Not all downtimes are equipment failures. Downtime can be caused by planning issues, operator pace, material shortages, or process problems. When equipment stops, it is often assumed to be a failure, even when it's not. This creates a false picture. Attention goes in the wrong direction. This is where data changes everything. Lean2S makes equipment performance visible. It shows downtime frequency, downtime reasons, operating time, and production output. It also shows how stability changes over time. Now, service results become measurable. You can clearly see MTBF, MTTR, and MTBD. Service is no longer invisible. It becomes quantifiable. Lean2S also improves communication. Operators can log failures, slowdowns, and unusual behavior. Service teams can react earlier, before problems escalate. If a company already uses a service system, Lean2S becomes a real-time data source. Most maintenance today is based on time, monthly, quarterly, yearly, but equipment does not work equally. Lean2S tracks real usage, working hours, cycles, and load. Maintenance becomes data-driven, not scheduled blindly. This creates three key advantages. First, service value becomes visible. Second, it becomes easier to justify preventive maintenance or new equipment. Third, service companies move from fixing problems to managing reliability. Because in reality, the most valuable service work is the work that prevents problems. And with the right data, that value becomes visible. Lean2S turns service work into measurable value. If you can't measure it, you can't prove it.